In just moments, you see the final masterpiece. But behind this iconic structure lies years of engineering. If you enjoy detailed construction documentaries like this, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible process stories. This exact location was once nothing more than open sea. No land, no structure, just water, youth, and a bold idea. Dubai wanted a global symbol, a structure that would redefine luxury and engineering. That vision began on paper. Before any construction could begin, engineers had to fully understand the seabed beneath this exact spot. These tests determined how deep foundations would need to go to support the enormous weight of the hotel. And to build offshore, engineers first had to create an entirely new piece of land. Over time, millions of tons of sand were transported here to slowly raise land above the sea. For the first time, land existed where only water once stood. To protect the island from powerful waves, a strong perimeter barrier had to be built before any vertical construction could begin. This compaction process ensured the island would not sink or shift under the enormous weight of the structure. Because the hotel would be extremely tall and heavy, deep foundation piles were absolutely essential. And these two piles in a driveway were driven deep into the seabed to anchor the structure firmly in place. With the deep foundation complete, the island was finally ready to support vertical construction. Right here on site, engineers mark the exact positions where the foundation structure will rise above these deep piles. This steel reinforcement is what gives the foundation its incredible strength and resistance. Formwork shapes the foundation, controlling where the concrete will flow and harden. This is one of the most critical moments at Tunatan. The foundation slab is being formed right beneath our feet. With the foundation slab complete, the Burj Al Arab is finally ready to rise upwards. Here on site, the vertical core is rising. This will form the main spine of the Burj Al Arab, providing strength for the entire structure. Each of these steel cages will form the columns that support every floor above. This is where raw materials become structure, the tiagun. These columns are literally the backbone of the hotel. Columns are rising one by one. The hotel's iconic sail shape will begin to take form around this central spine. On-site inspections ensure that every column meets strict safety and alignment standards before further construction continues. Here on site, the first floor slab formwork is being prepared. Precision is key. Every millimetre affects the floors above. The steel reinforcement ensures the floor will safely carry the massive weight of the superstructure above. Now the first floor slab is taking shape, forming the base for the hotel's rising structure. Proper curing prevents cracking and ensures long-term strength for the first floor. Here on site, the central core is taking shape floor by floor, forming the main spine that will support the entire tower. Now the second floor formwork is being built, creating the next platform for vertical construction. Each steel bar is carefully placed to carry not just the weight of this floor, but all floors above it. The second floor slab takes shape here on site, creating the platform for the hotel's next structural level. After curing, this second floor slab will be fully ready to support the floors above as the tower continues to rise. Here on site, the third floor formwork is going up. Every floor must align perfectly with the core and the structure above. Reinforcement placement is crucial for safety, ensuring each floor can bear tremendous weight above. The third floor slab is being formed in real time, a crucial step toward the hotel's rising height. Proper curing ensures the third floor is ready to support the superstructure above. The iconic sail structure is now beginning to take shape. giving the hotel its unique silhouette. The fourth floor formwork is now being prepared, continuing the upward growth of the hotel on site. Every steel bar on the fourth floor is meticulously positioned to ensure structural integrity for the floors above. On site, the fourth floor concrete is poured, forming a solid platform for the hotel's continuing rise. Proper curing on site guarantees the fourth floor will support the tower safely as construction progresses. The fifth floor steel reinforcement is now in place, providing essential strength for the floors above. On site, the fifth floor concrete is being poured, forming a solid platform for the hotel's continuing rise. Curing and inspection are critical on site to ensure each floor can safely support the superstructure above. The sixth floor formwork is now being constructed, continuing the upward journey of the hotel on site. The sixth floor steel is now in place, preparing the next level as the sail-like structure rises on site. With the sixth floor cured on site, we're ready to continue vertical construction safely and accurately. On site, the seventh floor formwork is being built, continuing the rise of the Burj Al Arab's vertical core. Every steel bar on the seventh floor is positioned meticulously to maintain structural integrity for the floors above. Here on site, the eighth floor formwork is going up, another step in the tower's vertical journey. Each steel bar on the eighth floor is precisely placed, forming a strong framework for the floors above. On site, the eighth floor concrete is being poured, creating another solid platform as the Burj Al Arab rises. Proper curing and inspection ensure the eighth floor is ready to safely support all subsequent levels. The ninth floor formwork is in place on site, and the sail structure continues to define the hotel's iconic silhouette. The ninth floor steel reinforcement is now in place, ensuring strength and stability for the floors above. On site, the ninth floor concrete is being poured, forming a solid platform for the hotel's next levels. Curing and inspection on site guarantee the ninth floor is ready to carry all subsequent levels safely. The 10th floor formwork is being prepared on site, and the hotel's sail structure continues to take shape. The 10th floor steel is now in place, preparing the next level as the sail structure rises higher on site. With the 10th floor cured on site, the structure is ready for the next stage of vertical construction. The 11th floor formwork is going up, continuing the rise of the tower's core on site. Every steel bar on the 11th floor is placed meticulously, providing structural strength for future levels. On site, the 11th floor concrete is poured, forming another solid platform for the rising structure. With the 11th floor cured and the sail structure extending, the iconic silhouette of Burj Al Arab becomes more visible on site. The 12th floor formwork is going up on site, another step in the tower's vertical journey. Every steel bar on the 12th floor is placed precisely, forming a strong framework for the floors above. On site, the 12th floor concrete is poured, creating another solid platform for the rising Burj Al Arab. With the 12th floor cured and the sail structure rising, the hotel's distinctive silhouette is becoming more prominent on site. The 13th floor steel reinforcement is now in place, ensuring the structure can support the rising sail framework. On site, the 13th floor concrete is being poured, forming another solid layer for the hotel's vertical expansion. Curing and inspection on site guarantee the 13th floor is strong enough to support future construction safely. The 14th floor formwork is being constructed on site, continuing the vertical core and sail structure. 14th floor steel is now in place on site, ensuring the vertical core continues to rise safely and accurately. With the 14th floor cured on site, the vertical core is ready for the next stage of construction. The 15th floor formwork is now being prepared on site, continuing the tower's vertical growth. And every steel bar on the 15th floor is precisely placed to support the floors above and maintain the tower's integrity. On site, the 15th floor concrete is poured, forming a strong platform for the tower's continuing ascent. And with the 15th floor cured and the sail framework extending, the Burj Al Arab silhouette becomes increasingly defined on site. With the 25th floor cured, the sail framework continues its elegant rise on site, defining the tower's distinctive silhouette. The 26th floor formwork is underway on site, continuing the vertical core and sail structure assembly. With the 28th floor cured, the sail framework continues its elegant rise on site, shaping the tower's signature silhouette. With the 31st floor cured, the sail framework rises gracefully on site, shaping the tower's unique silhouette. The 32nd floor formwork is underway on site, continuing the vertical core and sail structure assembly. The 30th floor formwork is underway on site, continuing the vertical core and sail structure assembly. The topmost sections of the sail framework are being completed on site, finalising the iconic silhouette of the Burj Al Arab. On site, the reflective glass facade is being installed, giving the Burj Al Arab its breathtaking finish. The helipad and exterior finishes are being installed on site, marking the final structural touches of the Burj Al Arab. On site, the interior fit-out works are in full swing, ensuring the luxurious standards of the Burj Al Arab are met. The Burj Al Arab stands complete on site, a marvel of modern engineering and design. From foundations to the